Is
she almost done?
Hey, Mom.
That's your turn.
That's a really nice outfit you're wearing.
Like it?
Yes, I love it.
It's white for the wedding.
Yeah.
And Dad,
Stand right there.
looking all
Right there, right in front of me.
looking all nice.
Those
He won't sit down.
Huh?
He won't sit down. He's not used to wearing stuff like that. Mama.
Don't worry about it. Oh, you need it?
Well, I need to put my stuff back.
My shoes, yes, they're beautiful.
A nice stretch.
Jim and his best gay impression. He's incredibly good at that. Ooh, wait.
I'm not gonna do it. There you go. What do you want?
Leave to the reception.
LA. Hi. Oh, you look beautiful.
I need to put
Well, then I'll just
Okay.
back to
That's Kim doing everybody's hair.
In your car? Okay, I'll do that.
Megan, maid of honor.
Thank you.
Are you thinking me?
Yes.
You have a teeny little rubber band.
Get on the internet and check out.
There's Jen with Renee and Kate,
Oh, no. Oh, I do.
Stephanie.
Paint
Come here, Renee.
Their beautiful hair.
Come here, Renee.
Come here, and then she's gonna fill it up.
There's
full of
Celeste.
Now I know how you feel. That's fine.
There's little flower girl dresses, and we will come back when everybody is dressed and really pretty.